Hi guys! Welcome back to another vlog. For this vlog, we will go to Shinjuku, Tokyo Tower, and Shibuya. Still on day 2 of our Tokyo-Osaka trip, and sorry guys, wala kaming video in Shinjuku but we visited the Godzilla head. So after nga ng aming Harry Potter studio tour, we went to Shinjuku and visited the Godzilla head statue. So we went back to Toshimain Station, rode the Uedo line going to Nakano Sakawe Station, then we transferred to Marunouchi line going to Shinjuku Station, and then we just walked going to Godzilla head statue for about 400 meters. After visiting the Godzilla head, merong Ichiran malapit doon, so we decided to eat our lunch at Ichiran. Pero guys, super haba ng pila sa Ichiran near the Godzilla head statue. Kaya naman bumalik kami near Shinjuku Station and we ate at Ichiran Nishi Shinjuku. Lesser ang pila doon at nakakain naman kami agad. And as I've mentioned in my Fukuoka vlog, the price of a bowl of a ramen at Ichiran was 980 yen or around 360 pesos. As much as we'd want to eat sana dun sa Harry Potter Studios, paborito talaga ng anak ko ang Ichiran, so we'd rather eat our late lunch at Ichiran instead. After we had our lunch, we went to Tokyo Tower. From Ichiran, we went to Shinjuku Nishiguchi Station, rode the Uedo line going to Tochimai Station, and then transferred to another Uedo line going to Akabanebashi Station. For this next stop, which is the Tokyo Tower, hindi na kami lumapit sa mismong tower because from the station, it was about 600 meters walk pa. Kaya nung natanaw na namin si Tokyo Tower, nagpa-picture na lang kami agad, and then we went on to our last stop for day 2 at yun nga ay ang Shibuya. What mountain is this? Akabanebashi Mountain.
Akabanebashi Mountain.
Akabanebashi Mountain.
Akabanebashi Mountain. Akabanebashi.
Akabane. Okay, Daddy.
It's a dog.
From the same station, Akabanebashi Station, we rode again the Uedo line going to Oyama Ichome Station, then transferred to Hanzomon line going to Shibuya Station. At paglabas nga namin ng station, ang una namin nakita ay si Hachiko. Napanood din ng anak namin yung movie na Hachiko, and my son really loved dogs. So after namin magpa-picture kay Hachiko, naglakad na kami papunta sa Shibuya Crossing.
まずはご売却をお考えのお客様にもっとご利用いただきたい。頑張ります。
Sadly, umambon kasi nung time na yan, kaya we decided to stay at Starbucks. Super daming tao din sa Starbucks, pero super ganda din naman ng view overlooking the Shibuya Crossing.
Nagkakamot ang paa naman. Nagkakamot ang paa. Wala na.
After we had our coffee and bought our souvenir tumbler, may nakita kami sa Starbucks na may hawak ng plastic na Nintendo, so we searched kung saan yung Nintendo store doon, and we reached Parco. Para siyang isang mall. Sobrang daming Animal Crossing stuff doon, kaya lang medyo pricey siya, kaya hindi ako bumili. At the same location, meron din Pokemon Center. Yun lang, super haba nga lang ng pila sa cashier dito. That's it for this video guys. Thanks for watching and see you again on the next vlog.